to be able to have that data and have it trend and be able to set up an alarm, so you're just going along, doing your everyday routines, and anytime something that's really important starts to get out of bounds, an alarm goes off on your phone and tells you. And I thought it was the coolest thing ever, and I still think it's an amazing tool, very, very valuable.
Turnkey Processing Solutions, or TPS, designs, builds, and operates all types of mineral processing and bulk material handling facilities, including cement, mining, frac sand, and aggregate. Headquartered in Franklin, Tennessee, they simultaneously operate dozens of operations throughout North America.
I'm Larry Berkner. I'm Director of Special Projects for Turnkey Processing Solutions, TPS. We're an EPC company. We design, build, install processing facilities, and we'll run them for you if you need us to. I'm Director of Special Projects, so I'm an enabler. My whole mission is to make other people's lives easier, help them overcome obstacles, and take on projects that are important, but yet not so important that we need to take it into other people's primary positions.
Aggregate and mining operations are a complex business, and because of TPS's rapid business expansion, they are constantly training new operators. TPS trainers and experts are often stretched thin. In fact, in this industry, it is rare for startup operations to have a local, highly skilled workforce pool to choose from, so it can take time to train new employees. Inexperience can result in preventative mistakes that also lead to downtime. And in this business, it can be very costly.
And the reason it's that often in these operations, and I'm talking 3 or 4 different plant operations, is because they're all green operations with green new employees learning that as time goes on and they're developed more solid, then those will reduce. But you'll always have turnover and new people to train.
TPS needed a solution that would allow their team of talented experts to be at multiple places at the same time and have the ability to train their newer employees on the job. InSource Solutions and their certified integration partner, Engineered Software Products, was contacted and after some consulting installed Aviva Insight. Insight is a secure, managed solution for collecting, storing, visualizing, and analyzing industrial data.
It gives us the ability during commissioning, particularly, to spread our expertise over a larger geographic area. One of the constraints that you have is what someone has in their head goes where their head goes, right? So as technology moves along and cell phones and whatnot, you get a little better, but that's only a little better. Now, Insight gives you the ability to look at specific pieces of data remotely, and the expert can make a decision on it. You can get the expert involved by contacting him and telling him, hey, look at this parameter or that parameter, or if the expert is already online with that, he can look at Insight, set up the alarms, and know when he needs to intervene. So in the past, people would be in Texas in the morning, Wisconsin in the afternoon of the same day, just trying to help with commissioning. And now they can be at the site that needs the most physical presence and still monitoring the other site. Within a few weeks of having Insight available to us, we avoided a thickener crash by the subject matter expert getting an alarm that says this parameter is out of range. He looked at the alarm, looked at the chart, realized that they were headed the wrong direction, called the operator, had some dialogue with the operator, was able to get the operator frame of reference back where it should have been, and the operator was able to get the machine under control, get the chemical process under control before it took itself offline.
It's probably 20 to 30 times a day. I look at it constantly to use it to monitor the plant. And so what really happens with it, the reason I'm looking at it so much is because we have a new crew, young operators, people that are constantly, we're working to educate them. So it's a good tool that I use to look at and then to monitor how they're doing and how the plant is performing. So then I can use the tool to help educate them as they go through.
But I know for a fact that there's been many occasions where we had pressure on a pump or a temperature getting out of control, and that alarm went off, and I was able to make a phone call, or one of my guys was able to call a foreman out of the plant and correct that before it turned into a much bigger problem. So I would say that I'm like 100% confident that this thing paid for itself in the first week that we had it.